Tragedy struck at the heart of humanity's largest religious gathering as a devastating stampede claimed 30 lives and left nearly 90 injured at the sacred Kumbh Mela festival in India's Prayagraj.
The stampede took place on a day when over 75 million people took a holy dip at the holy Sangam waters in the city. The state government has formed a 3-member judicial commission that's headed to look into the matter.
The 3-member judicial probe team will be headed by a retired Justice of High Court. In a notification issued later, the government stated that the probe would cover 2 points. Number one, finding out the reasons and circumstances that caused the incident and to give suggestions about preventing such happenings in the future. The commission has been given 1 month to submit the report.
The incident unfolded in the pre-dawn darkness as thousands of devotees surged towards the holy rivers, trampling other pilgrims in their path. Confirming the death toll, the police says 25 people have been identified while 5 others are being identified.
Eyewitnesses say crowds surged for a dip at the confluence of the 3 rivers that is considered particularly sacred.
बहिनी भिड़िया जैसे आइतो के और जाइतो के सब एक कम रहला हम साइड में रहली वो जौन आवत वडन नहाए हमन के नहा जात रहली वही में इन्होंने मोटरिया गठरिया लेके गिर जाता था अच्छा बुढ़ावे उड़ावे
Prime Minister Modi condoled the deaths, assuring all help to the victims.
आज की चुनाव सभा को संबोधन करने से पहले मैं महाकुंभ में जो दुखद हादसा हुआ है उस हादसे में हमें कुछ पुण्यात्माओं को खोना पड़ा है, कई लोगों को चोटें भी आई हैं। मैं प्रभावित परिवारों के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं।
Just for sheer scale, the congregation is mind-boggling. The expected 400 million pilgrims dwarf the combined populations of the US and Russia, creating a temporary metropolis of faith that astronauts can witness from space.
Now, Prayagraj, the holy site, is situated at the mystical confluence of the Ganges and Yamuna rivers, where the mythical Saraswati is believed to flow invisibly.
The ritual bathing has profound spiritual significance. Each immersion in the sacred waters is believed to cleanse sins accumulated over lifetimes, with the merit multiplied manifold during this auspicious period.
As authorities investigate the tragedy and strengthen safety protocols across the 650-kilometer network of temporary roads, the spiritual fervor remains undiminished. The Kumbh Mela stands as a living testament to an unbroken tradition spanning millennia, where faith transcends human limitations and the material world briefly touches the divine.